Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the language on Netflix. This will be changing the language on the text you see. So the titles and where it says watch it again, that will change to a different language. I will also show you later in the video how to change the audio and subtitles. Let's get started. To change the language of text on Netflix, first thing we need to do is click on the picture on the top right hand corner, go all the way down to account and click on it. Once you are in account, we're going to find profile and parental controls. Then we will click on the drop down. There you will see language and you will click change. And these are the languages you can change it to. Here in this screen, you can also set up the language for your audio and subtitles. So today we are going to choose Spanish, Español. And for shows and movie languages, we're just going to leave it the same. We're going to click save. And we're going to go back to Netflix, and this will reflect across all the platforms. So if you're watching this on your cell phone, you will see that the language has also changed. And here you will see where it changed the language text from English to Spanish. Now we are going to try to change it back. We're going to click on the picture top right hand corner, click on account, Spanish cuenta. Then we're going to go down to profiles and controls. And then right there it says idioma. We're going to hit change and we're going to change it back to English. Now if you change it to another language you cannot read, good luck. And we're going to save that. Now in this screen you can also set up your audio and subtitles. So if you want them in a different language, you can do that. Now if you want to change the audio and subtitles while you're watching a show, all you have to do is click on the show you want to watch. We're going to click on Selena and we're going to hit pause so I don't get copyrighted. Then here on this icon, you will see the audio. You can change it to Spanish, Brazilian, Portuguese. And then for subtitles, it has Chinese and even French. And if you're viewing your show on a mobile device, it's going to look exactly the same. That is all I have for today. If this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, consider supporting this channel by subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.